how to find Discord ID on mobile and PC. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Discord on our browser or in our app. Now once you do that, what we're going to do next is to go to the settings. So just look for the settings right there. And then once you're now on the settings, what we're going to do next is to scroll down until you see the advanced under the app settings. So just click advanced right there. On this part, you will see the developer mode. Now, if it is turned off, all you have to do is to turn that on right there. And then once you've turned that on, all you have to do is to go back into our homepage. Now, what we're going to do next is to go into one of the direct messages that we have on Discord. So let's say, for example, that we want to use the user ID of this account. So what we're going to do in this part is to just go here on the upper right corner and look for the three dots. So just click the three dots right there. And then under that, you will see the copy user ID. All you have to do is to click that, and that should be it. So that is basically it. That is how to copy user ID in Discord.